Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 420d Coupe finished off in Melbourne metallic red. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options we have on this particular vehicle. Starting with the outside of the car, of course it has the Your Next Car performance kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the stunning gloss black performance kit. As you can see, it's got the gloss black front splitter, gloss black kidney grills. It's also got the gloss black 19-inch BMW M Sport alloys. You will also see, thanks to the nice options on this car, it has the M Sport braking package, so it's got the much larger brakes front and rear. It also has the stunning Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. The gloss black performance kit really sits well with the red of the body colour. It's also got the gloss black air breather for the front brakes. We've got the satin sidebars, side vinyls and M performance decals. It's got privacy glass. Black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated. We also have the superb Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. We have the Grand Piano black trim on the door cards and on the dashboard inserts. Moving round to the rear, we have the gloss black rear boot spoiler and the satin rear diffuser. Inside the boot, if you've not yet seen the boot space on a Coupe 4 Series, you'll be very pleasantly surprised with just how much room you've got in there. Not only that, but the seats do fold for extra space if it is required. Inside and out, this is a fantastic conditioned car. That is aids to the low mileage that it has done and the fact that it is only a 2015 reg. Okay, so let's get inside and show you some of the interior features and options that we have on this vehicle. Give you a little brief view around the rear, where we have, of course, all ISOFIX ready. Once again, showing you the Harman Kardon. We have the electric lumbar adjustment, multi-function M Sport steering wheel with cruise control and speed limiter. We have BMW's superb widescreen professional navigation and media. We also have the heated seats, which we spoke about. We have a 6-speed manual gearbox on this 420d. I'll show you into the navigation screen. The Bluetooth menu for communications. We of course have full DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. As you can see, the vehicle has covered just over 27,000 miles. And if you go into the vehicle information, where all the vehicle service history is stored, you will see that it's not due an engine oil change until 19,000 miles. And it was last serviced at BMW at 27521, so very, very recently. It's just been into BMW for that service. The next serviceable item is the front brake pads, which aren't due for 8,000 miles, so you've got 8,000 miles until you will need to spend anything on this vehicle. Absolutely fabulous condition car, and as I said, that is mainly down to the fact that it has only done that low mileage. Okay, so that's pretty much going to sum up the video on the 4 Series 420d in Melbourne metallic red. Of course, we do have some outstanding finance packages available on this vehicle and all of our other vehicles for that matter, so please do feel free to get in touch. Thank you very much for watching the video. We hope you found it very useful, and we of course hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car for purchasing of your new BMW. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye bye.